show up in the party, fire than everybody. We show up in the party, fire.
Hello Glamorous Babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. And before we get into that video, you read that title, you read that thumbnail, it's the updated eyebrow routine. Before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom, that big old red button. While you at it, turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos I upload. Lately I've been uploading, but subscribing, man, subscribe and hit that subscribe button. Do that right now. I'm waiting. Did you do it? So anyway, this is an updated eyebrow routine. I have gotten a lot of comments about my eyebrows, so I decided to do an eyebrow routine, show you how I do my eyebrow routine, an updated one. Of course, it's been a long time, so I decided to do one. But don't judge me. Don't judge me how I do my eyebrow routine. This is for me, not for you, for me. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. Wherever you do it, good. I don't judge it, but this is my eyebrow routine, okay? So, without further ado, make sure you enjoy my content. Help me get to 215 subscribers. Yes, because you enjoy my content, you know you do. And that's all. So let's roll in that Let's roll into that video. Now I used to use the L'Oreal Infallible eyebrow cream. Eyeliner cream. But now I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in chocolate. I just purchased this, so I'm gonna be using this today. I'm gonna start on using my spoolie from Elf, and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. What I like to do is go in with a glue stick, and this is washable. This is my way of doing my eyebrows, so I like to do that. And when I take this, I like to brush it on my eyebrows in a motion. And don't mind me, I'm looking down in the mirror, so forgive me if I'm not looking directly in the camera. And I'm gonna brush that out where it sticks. See how it's sticking? Now before we proceed, you want to wipe the excess glue off with a makeup wipe. I always use a makeup wipe before I proceed along. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow and just dip it in. Don't worry about that mess, I can clean it up. As you can see, I outlined my lower brown line and just filled it in. So I'm gonna do my top, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my bottom. Now I'm gonna brush out my brows. And I'm gonna outline my top. Now that's it. Don't worry about all the stuff. I will clean clean up that with concealer. And now on to my left one. As you already know, I'm gonna do the same thing to my right one, to my left. To clean up, I'm using my e.l.f. concealer, complete concealer, in medium to clean it up. Now I always use a lighter concealer for my bottom and a darkest one for my top.
Is bleeding, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said.
Now I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and brush it outwards, my inner.
And I didn't understand that you.
I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation and put it on top right here. So this is how I do my eyebrows. Don't mind me, I'm admiring my eyebrows. So this is how I do my eyebrows. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and you enjoy my content, help me get to 215 subscribers. So this is the end of my video. So never give up, always smile, and laugh a little while, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.